So here we have the file burning in Lightburn. It's going to do the outside square first, which is 290 square. Then it's going to do the top row of numbers. Then it's going to do the right hand side of numbers. Then it's doing the bottom row of numbers. Left hand side numbers. And all the numbers go from 10 and upwards. The box fits inside your bed quite easily, but it's not going from 0 to 400. It goes from 10 to 390. The cross is there. Now the circles are coming, so you need to adjust your feed and power speed to get these to burn how dark you want them. These are now 50mm circles, the other ones are 100mm circles. Now we're getting 100mm squares. $50mm squares, and all these are, you can turn these off. All these are on separate layers. It's very easy in the Lightburn system that you can turn off any of these. These are the normal grid lines going on now. Again, you just need to adjust your speeds and feeds to get these to burn. And then after these are done, there's going to be darker lines which are done at a slower speed to get the 50mm marking. So 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. So that's the main grid just finishing off. Now you'll see the cursor jump around where it's just doing the 50mm interval lines, which are, as you see in the Lightburn file, a slower speed, so they'll be slightly darker. Again, all this is fully customized. You need to adjust your feeds and speeds to how you want it to come out on your grid. Also in the file pack, you'll get a DXF file, which can be imported into many laser and CNC softwares, and you will have all the separate items on different layers. So I've also started a small kerf page where you can find my designs I'm slowly uploading. They will eventually end up on my website, but I'm using this as a temporary stopgap. So you can find it in the shop. So you can click shop here, and at the moment I've got two files, an elephant that I really like. So this is a 400x400 cutting grid. Again, fully customizable, and the 300x300 will appear there very shortly. So if you do take a look, I thank you in advance. Another file that's going to appear there very shortly, I'm still doing some fine tuning, is the manual smooth Z-lift that I'm working on for 5W, 10W and eventually 20W long array Ray 5 lasers. So yeah, if you're interested in that, keep an eye on the page, and I will make an announcement on the YouTube channel, because I will do an assembly video and show you it in operation. But yeah, I'm very happy with that design. Thanks for making it to the end of my videos. If I've earned your respect and your trust, perhaps you would consider subscribing to my channel. It really does make a massive difference. And maybe you would like to watch some of the videos popping up on the screen now. Let me know what you think. Cheers for now.